I'm here in the manufacturing lab cutting some parts for Loy Trevino. He's the Industry Partners Manager for the NASA HUNCH program. In a few minutes, we're going to take a look around the shop, and he's going to explain to us a little bit more about the program.
NASA HUNCH is a project-based STEM education program because we have students that are actually creating and producing flight articles that we send to space station and other programs. We have a little over 300 schools across the country, serviced by 6 NASA centers. That spans 46 states. We have flown 2,400 space articles, and that represents about 45,000 individual part pieces. We don't give any student a project NASA doesn't need. So everything we do is for a NASA mission. We probably couldn't do what we do without Mastercam. And so they've been a valued partner for years. Our students are trained on the latest and greatest technology so that they'll be ready for industry or going further on into their education. So Mastercam has always been an important partner of NASA HUNCH. Our mentors are constantly talking to you guys, our teachers. And what that does is it creates the best environment for our students here.